Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I wanted to film a summer favorites video, and this is gonna be like all just accessories because honestly, aside from like my recent Zara haul, I haven't bought any new clothing recently. I feel like in the summer I wear like some basic tanks and pieces, but I love to dress up my summer wardrobe with accessories. So I love sunglasses, and like I love fun sunglasses in the summertime, and just like a lot of jewelry and cute sandals. So I figured I would film a summer favorites accessories edition. If you watch any of my other videos, you probably know that I'm obsessed with gold. I'm gonna start with the accessories that I've been loving for the summertime. There's just something about bright yellow gold that just does it for me. I only exclusively wear gold. I have not even one piece of silver jewelry in my little jewelry box. I hate silver, love gold. I wear this necklace every day, which is like this little gold thin M. And I usually will wear some type of a gold earring, but basically all gold everything for me. When it comes to the summertime, I love to layer on thick, chunky gold necklaces and earrings, because especially like if I'm wearing a top like I'm wearing today, this is giving very much like Y2K vibes. It's just like a ribbed little tube top. I love to wear shirts like this in the summer and then just throw on some big chunky gold necklaces. So the first one that I have is basically a new purchase, and this is something that I picked up from TJ Maxx, but this is actually from the brand Rachel Zoe. So I don't think you can, I'll look online and link this if I can find it on like the Rachel Zoe website or anything, but usually TJ Maxx has like discontinued things, but I know that you can find something similar on Amazon or probably on another website. So I'm gonna do some research, and if you like this necklace, I'm gonna try to find a dupe and link it, and it will probably be cheaper too, which is even better. But basically it's this gold, like I don't know what kind of chain this is. I think it's called a curb link chain, and I love a good chain moment. But basically it's like this gold necklace, and it has this square emerald. It's not a real emerald obviously, but it's like a faux emerald. And like I said, I love my gold jewelry. I love my fake gold. I love my fake gems. I'm very irresponsible when it comes to jewelry. I don't have like really anything expensive or real, especially when it comes to earrings and stuff. Like I lose them all the time, so I pretty much only buy costume jewelry, especially when I lose things and they tarnish. I love buying new jewelry all the time, so I digress. But it's this like emerald choker, and it's not really a choker necklace. Like it's a little bit lower than a choker, but it's like a shorter necklace for sure. But I just think it's really pretty, and I'm obsessed with emerald lately. I don't know why. I just love colored gems, like especially red gems like malachite or green like emerald. I'm just obsessed, and I feel like this is gonna be the summer of emerald jewelry, so probably more to come soon. If I get some more emerald jewels, I'll do a haul. But I just think this looks so pretty, and I love this little square, and I just feel like green and gold together, like especially when you're wearing like a summery top like this, is just really cute. So yeah, this is from Rachel Zoe. I'm gonna find a dupe and link it down below for you, but I feel like summer 2020, this summer is gonna be the summer of emerald jewelry for me, so love that. Then the next piece is this gold, like thick gold rope chain. See, I'm getting better with my descriptions, but this is from a brand called Argento Vivo, and I've talked about them before. I love their jewelry because it's like gold plated, so it doesn't tarnish super fast. It gives you like a couple years of consistent wear, which is nice. So it's like you get a good bang for your buck. It's not like it's gonna tarnish right away. But this is just like a really pretty rope chain, and it has this like circle kind of closure. So I really love this, especially because, again, like if I'm wearing a simple tank top, which I do most days in the summer, especially like a basic crisp white tank, I just love how this looks like on the neckline, and you could layer this with other things. Like I probably will wear this rope chain with that emerald. I just think it looks really cool and adds some texture. So I love wearing these type of necklaces in the summertime. The more gold, the better, honestly. I feel like for me, there's no such thing as too much gold. Again, speaking of gold, this one is a gold layered snake chain. And see, I'm getting, like I said, I'm getting good with my descriptions, but I love a good snake chain. And this one is like 3 layers. So I love like how one's shorter, one's medium, and one's long. And I just think they look so cute when they're like all just laying on top of each other, and it just adds some texture. This particular one I got from TJ Maxx, so I will again have to find some kind of a dupe if you like the way this looks. I know Amazon definitely sells necklaces like this, but this is even easier than layering multiple necklaces because it does the work for you. You just throw one on and it's like all connected on the side. But I love a good snake chain. And then the last necklace that I have is from Revolve. And this one is from a brand called 8 Other Reasons. And I know that Revolve still sells this brand, so I'm gonna do some research, and if it's still available, I will link it down below. But it's this really pretty, like, again, you can't have too much gold in my opinion, but this one has 4 layers. So this one is like really extra. This one is just so pretty, and I love this because it has like different kind of chains. So it has like the snake chain here, and then this one's like a little bit of a thinner, daintier chain with this little like long charm, and this one has like a little square charm. So I just think, again, super pretty, and it looks really nice when you wear like a strapless top or a tank top. Again, super easy ways just to like dress up your basic outfits. If you were wearing even just a racer like white tank with some jean shorts, if you threw this on with some sandals, you could easily just like step up your summer outfit. So those are my favorite like jewelry accessories for the summer. Next thing would be some sandals, and I have been really into, like, I feel like these were really big last summer, but I'm still loving this trend. But it's like braided sandals. So I picked up these square toe braided sandals, and I'm obsessed with these, and I will link them down below because I know they're still available. I already looked them up, but these are from Marc. So you can get these, like, I think at either Macy's or Nordstrom, but these have the square toe, and they are a really thick, chunky, like braided strap. I call these my Fottegas because I don't want to drop like $900 to $1,000 on some Bottegas, but I feel like these give you a similar vibe with like the thick, chunky braided strap and the square toe, but it's not going to break your bank. And I want to say that these are around $60. I actually love Marc shoes because they're very comfortable, and these do have a little bit of a cushion in them. Like they have like a little bit of a soft cushion, and they do have a little bit of a heel. So it's definitely a like chunky heel. It's a mule technically, but I've worn these to work, and I've walked around all day in them in the office. And I've also, like, I live in New York, so I walk to the subway, and I don't really have any complaints with these. Like the fact that I've only worn these twice so far and they weren't like excruciatingly painful, that's a win in my book. And I've really been enjoying these, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of them this summer, and I feel like they would look really cute with, like, again, my uniform in the summer, like black tank top, even what I'm wearing now, some jeans, and these cute little sandals. You could wear these with a skirt. That's what I did. I wore them also with like a black leather midi skirt, and it looks super cute. So yeah, I just think these look really dainty and like girly, and it just adds like an extra bit of texture with the braided strap, and they don't give you a blister or anything, which is awesome. So I really like these sandals for the summer. If you don't want to wear a heel, but you don't want to wear a flat sandal, you want something in between, I think a mule is a good like medium ground of like wanting to look up a little dressy but not being in pain from wearing heels. Another thing about those mules that I like, I usually wear mules, like sometimes they're hard to walk in because you have like the strap and then the thick weight of the thick heel. So when you walk, they like kind of make like a clunking noise. You probably know what I'm talking about. But those heels don't do that because they have that thick braided strap. So they also don't make that like clunky, awkward noise. So they're not hard to walk in, which is awesome. Then I picked up recently another pair, and keeping with the theme of braided sandals, I got these at TJ Maxx, and I got these recently, so if you go there, you'll probably find something similar. So these are Sincerely Jules shoes. I looked her up, and she is an influencer, and she has some kind of a collab, or she came out with her own shoe line. I'm not sure if it's a collab or if it's her own brand. I would say this is like it's like a light beige, but there's again square toe, and what I love is that they have the two thin braided straps. So again, they're like easy to walk in because even though it has like a little bit of a mule, it has like a little bit of a chunky heel, it has that square toe, but these two braided straps make them easy to walk in, and they're not uncomfortable. And these were only like $25, so not bad at all, and they look like nice quality. Like these look like something like you would pay like the Marc Fishers like $70 for. They don't look cheap or anything, and they're just like very pretty and dainty, and I think they just look so cute on. And again, it's a way to kind of like elevate your basic summer outfits without looking like, if you don't want to wear heels but you don't want to wear flats, this is again something right in the middle. And I feel like I'm gonna get so much wear out of these and the black ones this summer. So you have your black, you have your black, you have your nude, just very cute sandal, and I'm really glad that I picked them up. I even convinced my mom to buy them, so she got them as well, and she like talked me into buying them because I was going back and forth. I was like, I don't really need any new shoes, but when you go to TJ Maxx with your mom, you're gonna buy the shoes. So when I go to TJ Maxx with my mom, I'm probably gonna buy things that I don't need. So, but I kind of was in the need for like new sandals, so I'm glad that I picked those up. The first pair that I got are these cat eye sunglasses, and these are definitely my favorite, and they're just all black. They make them in a bunch of different colors. You can get them in white, red. These are supposed to look like, I think they're like Le Spec made a pair that was like a couple $100. Also Saline has a very similar style. They're like pointed at the bottom. So they have the cat eye, but they're pointed at the bottom, and they're like thinner. So I'm glad that I got these Amazons. These were $10. And I'm glad that I didn't spend the money on the Le Specs or the Salines. Like, don't get me wrong, I love Saline Sunglasses, and I do own a pair. I'm on the hunt for another pair that are like super rare to find, but which we'll get to next. But I'm just really glad I got these because I've been wearing them a lot, especially this summer, and like they're just a whole vibe. I feel bitchy when I'm wearing these, and I love it. I just feel like they look like, you know, like movie star, you know, like please don't talk to me. These sunglasses kind of just like say, you know, I'm bitchy. I'm not really bitchy, but I feel like they just give that kind of like bad bitch attitude, which I love. They're just really cute, and they're thin. At first I wasn't sure how I felt about them when I put them on. I was like, is it looking a little too like the Matrix? I don't know, but they've grown on me and I like them. And I'm just liking smaller sunglasses, thinner sunglasses. This is the summer of cat eyes for me. Like last summer was all about my Ray-Ban circle, like John Lennon sunglasses. I wore those so often, but I'm kind of graduating into the smaller sunglasses. And then the second pair, I feel like these blew up last summer and everybody was like putting these in their favorite videos and everybody was talking about them, but these are still going strong for me and I'm still loving them just as much as I loved them last summer. But in case you haven't heard about these sunglasses and you're in the market for a new pair, I highly recommend these. And these are kind of like a dupe for a Saline sunglass, a pair of Saline sunglasses that I've actually been on the hunt for like 2 years, and they're super rare and super hard to find. Basically, they're just like, I'm accepting the fact that like I may never get my hands on a pair of the Saline ones, so I'm perfectly fine having the Amazon dupes. But these are like a flat top. They're called the Edge sunglasses from Saline, in case you're wondering. But if you're like into Saline, then you probably know all about those sunglasses. Finding a pair of those sunglasses would be like finding the golden ticket in Willy Wonka. It's like nearly impossible. But Amazon, they did a great job with the dupe. I want to say these were like $10 to $12. They have the flat top, and then they have a cat eye, and then they're like square at the bottom. So these aren't like super huge, but they're not really small either. They're like a good mid-size, they're like a good medium pair. But again, these are pretty like bitchy, you know, bad bitch energy, like just very cute. And they go with like a lot of outfits, very chic. Love wearing these with like an all black moment. What else is new? I wear black every day. It's no surprise. So yeah, these are just like when you don't want to do your makeup and stuff too, and you just want to like cover your eyes, these are great. I wear these on like no makeup days with just like my leggings and my workout outfits and whatever. But yeah, I love these sunglasses, and I think they make them in different colors too, so great find. I've also been wearing these for over a year now and they're still going strong. Like the $10 will get you far on Amazon. So those are all of my favorite summer accessories, from jewelry to sunglasses to sandals. So a lot of these pieces are affordable from Amazon and TJ Maxx, and in like the $20 to $30 range. So like I said, I will link as much as I can down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, if you have any cool like jewelry finds or sunglasses or anything that you're loving from Amazon, let me know, because I'm always like looking on Amazon and always wanting to buy new things, especially when it comes to accessories. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you again for watching. If you want to see me film any other videos, please just let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in my next video soon.